This tutorial review will show you how to convert horizontal video to vertical on mobile. To convert your horizontal video to vertical, you have to use an app called Capcut. So install this Capcut app on your device, then open it. Tap on New Project. And now all you have to need, just select here the horizontal video. Tap on Add, and now here search for ratio. Now tap on ratio, select this option, and now we can see a black area showing up here. If you want to hide this area, then select here canvas, select color, and you can select a solid color to hide the black bird, and you can also hide the black bird using a background. So tap on background, and you can select any background from this list. Also, you can upload a custom photo from your gallery. And to make the black area blur, select here blur. Once done, it's time to export the video. So tap on export at the top right, and the video will be exported to your gallery. So this was the way we can convert a horizontal video to vertical. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.